Welcome. If you're looking to lose weight fast, but you don't want hard workouts, no running, no jumping, no stress on the knees or lower back, then Tai Chi Walking is the perfect solution. These slow, controlled steps help your body burn deep fat, improve your metabolism, and keep your heart rate in the fat-burning zone, which is ideal for anyone over 50. We're going to use slow breathing and mindful stepping to melt fat gently and safely, right where you need it most. Ready? Let's begin. Part 1. Warm up and activate. Fat burning, 1 to 1.5 minutes. Stand tall with your feet about hip width apart. Relax your shoulders. Let your neck and head feel light and free. Your arms rest gently by your sides, or place your hands softly over your lower belly. Now, we begin activating the body for fat burning through slow, deep breathing. Inhale gently through your nose for 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold the breath lightly for 2 counts, and exhale slowly through your mouth for 6 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. As you exhale, imagine the fat around your belly, waist, and hips softening, melting, like warm sunlight gently dissolving snow. Feel your body becoming lighter and more relaxed. We will repeat this deep breathing 6 times, keeping the same rhythm. Inhale for 4 seconds. Hold for 2 seconds. Exhale for 6 seconds. As you breathe, allow your belly to move naturally. No tightening, no forcing, just easy, gentle movement. Each deep breath improves circulation, activates your metabolism, signals your body to begin burning fat smoothly and continuously. As you finish, you may feel a gentle warmth spreading through your body. That warmth is your fat-burning system waking up. Part 2. Deep fat-burning Tai Chi Walking, 3 to 4 minutes. Now, we begin the Tai Chi Walking. This is the main fat-burning part of our routine. Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart. Relax your shoulders. Keep your spine long and soft. Let your knees stay slightly bent, not locked. 1. Shift your weight slowly. Shift your weight onto your left foot. Feel your left foot become steady and strong. Your right foot becomes light and relaxed. 2. Slow step for fat burn. Lift your right heel first, then lift your toes, and gently place your right foot forward, as slow and controlled as possible, like you are stepping into warm water. As your right foot touches the ground, exhale softly through your mouth and gently draw your lower belly inward. Just a small, gentle pull. This small belly activation helps your body burn fat more effectively, especially around the belly and waist. 3. Transfer your weight. Shift your weight slowly onto your right foot. Let your whole body follow the movement smoothly and quietly. No rushing, no forcing, just flow. Now repeat the same movement with the left foot. Inhale slowly as you lift your foot. Exhale slowly as you place your foot and draw the belly in timing. 3 to 4 minutes. Move slowly, about 6 to 8 seconds per step. Slow movement means more muscle engagement, better balance, more fat burned per step. In 3 to 4 minutes, you will take about 12 to 20 slow, mindful steps. Part 3. Gentle fat burning boost, 4 to 6 minutes. Now we'll add the arms to gently increase your heart rate and boost fat burning. As you inhale, slowly lift your arms up to about chest or shoulder height. Keep the movement soft, like you're lifting something light. As you exhale, lower your arms back down and gently tighten your lower belly, right below the navel. No need to squeeze hard, just a light activation. This arm movement does two important things. It raises your heart rate safely, without strain. It stimulates your metabolism, helping your body burn fat more efficiently. Focus especially on the belly and waist area. Each breath you take sends oxygen to the muscles, which helps release stored fat. Remember, long, slow breathing equals deeper fat burn. Slow steps equals more muscles. Working equals more fat melted. Keep your shoulders relaxed, your chest open, and your face soft. You are not forcing your body. You are guiding it. Stay with this rhythm. Inhale, lift. Exhale, lower. Step by step. You are doing great. Part 4. Waist shaping and core slimming. 2 to 3 minutes. Now, we're going to gently shape the waist. As you shift your weight from one leg to the other, lightly draw your lower belly inward. Just a little. Not a hard squeeze. Think of it like zipping up a comfortable pair of jeans. Soft, natural, controlled. This gentle core engagement is the secret to reducing belly fat without doing sit-ups, especially after age 50. Keep breathing slowly. Inhale, the belly relaxes. Exhale, the belly draws in softly. Feel how your body begins to support itself from the center. This helps strengthen your deep core muscles. Improve posture. Pull the waistline inward. Support your lower back. As you walk, imagine your belly drawing slightly in and up, like lifting your center. This creates a long, tall spine and a slimmer silhouette. Go slow. Feel graceful. You're not forcing your body. You're teaching it a new shape. Step, breathe, draw in, release. Beautiful. Keep going. Part 5. Cool down. Keep the fat burning going. 1 to 2 minutes. Let's slow everything down and allow the body to absorb the work we just did. Place one or both hands on your lower belly. Feel your warmth. Feel your energy. Inhale gently through your nose. Let the belly rise into your hands. Exhale slowly through your mouth. Let the belly soften and relax. No effort, no tension, just soft, natural breathing. Continue this rhythm. Inhale, belly lifts. Exhale, belly softens. Your heart rate is steady. Your nervous system is calm. Your metabolism is now awake. Even though we've stopped moving, your body will continue burning fat for the next 1 to 2 hours, especially around the waist and midsection. This is the power of slow, controlled movement. This is the power of Tai Chi Walking. You didn't force your body, you guided it. Take one more deep breath in and a long, gentle exhale. Beautiful work. Your body thanks you. You did amazing today. If your goal is to lose weight quickly, safely, and naturally after 50, practice this routine at least 10 minutes every day. Your body responds to consistency, not intensity. So keep showing up. Even slow steps create real change. If this video helped you, please hit like. It lets YouTube show this to more people who need gentle weight loss support. And if you want more easy, fat-burning routines, Tai Chi walking sessions, and pain-free exercises for seniors, make sure you subscribe right now. Let's keep moving together, one calm, powerful step at a time. See you in the next session.